Hey guys, it's Adrian here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a complex cylindrical shape. So there are many methods, but I'm gonna stick with only two and demonstrate only two methods. Alright, the first method is to create a cylinder in here. So we create a cylindrical shape, a cylinder with 24 sides. I'm gonna put it x-axis to 0, just like that. So we have 24 sides here. Depend on the amount of details and on the shape you try to achieve. It may vary from the 24 to 32, something like this, but 24 mostly work in most cases. So let's stick with 24 in here. I'm gonna select one single face. I'm gonna modify it to get the desired shape. For example, I want these to go extrude and maybe add uh, some kind of chamfer in here. After I satisfy with the results, after I'm done with it, I only select my three sides here and delete the rest. So this is the first face that we modify, and select the rest, only these one, and control I and delete the rest. Okay, I'm gonna just be sure you don't change the pivot is very important. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it, activate angle snap, and hold shift and rotate it till these edges get close together, and copy it, duplicate it. So how many copies do we need? So the original shape has 24 sides, so we only pick 3. So 24 divided by 3 give us 8, and again 8 times 3 give us 24. So we need overall 8 numbers of copies. So we have 1 copies here, and we need to add 7 more. So it gives us the whole cylinder just like that, and I put it in the instance, and I can further modify it and see it in the live. I can put it in the, let me go back, put it in the instance. Again, I can rotate it just like that, put it to the instance, 7 copies, and I can see that in the live like this. Move it right here, in here as well. So another method is using by the symmetry tool, the radial tool. In here, I'm go to the modifier list and select symmetry, and go to the symmetry list, change it to radial on the z-axis. I have to go in here and rotate it to see my object like that. I'm gonna increase the count in here. You have to rotate it to see the results. Okay, just like in here, I can increase or decrease the polygons. And the power of this method is you don't have to, figure out the amount of, angles, polygons, geometry. You just need to see the end result and just move the vertex till it's meshed together. I can activate a snap to edge in here and snap them back together like that. It's very easy to be able to mesh the shape in here in this method, just like that, snap them together, and we get the whole shape. So I hope you satisfy, and after you satisfy with your results, give it to Adobe Poly and continue modify it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up, and see you on the next video.